Stocks rally for a second consecutive trading session. Commodities also post gains as U.S. investors decide to focus on the domestic recovery rather than on uncertainty in Europe. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. And once again today, it was all about the commodities and commodities rebounding after that big slide last week. And of course, last week we saw the big drop in silver, but silver futures rallying 7% today. And along with oil shot up to over $102 a barrel. The big question remains, is this just a relief rally for commodities after all the selling that we saw last week? But traders say that the long-term trend for commodities is still higher because there is solid demand worldwide. Now, energy stocks like Halliburton, the best gainers, along with material stocks like Newmont Mining. And we, of course, saw those gains in those stocks as we saw the rebound in commodities. Pimm?
Now, Deborah, once again, Greece's debt problems are back in the news. What's going on, and why do traders seem to ignore what's happening in Europe right now?
Well, you know, it does seem to be a very different story brewing for Greece right now. S&P cut their debt rating 2 levels for Greece and said that further reductions are possible. And this is the 4th time that S&P has cut ratings on Greece since April of last year. So certainly some big concerns there. But traders seem to be focused, of course, on what is going on here in the U.S. And that did actually help out and we heard that from some specific companies. Now, McDonald saying it was they said sales at stores were higher in April. That as smoothies and McCafe beverages drew in more customers in the U.S. And in fact, traders saying that really kind of tells us that the economy here in the U.S. is doing better. Also, USA Today reporting that McDonald's undergoing a $1 billion makeover intended to make its restaurants more cozy and inviting for adults. So the neon yellow, the bright red interiors, and the fiberglass tables are out, but wooden tables, comfortable faux leather chairs, and interiors painted in muted colors are in at McDonald's. So should be a change for them. That's it from here, Pimm. Now back to you.
I wonder if they're going to be taking reservations next. Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.